Finally, today is the day. The day that I'm finally officially putting something online right here on YouTube on my channel. My channel is called Mermaid Lelie because I'm a professional mermaid performer from Belgium. I receive so many questions about the costumes that I make, about the makeup that I use, that I decided to make a channel revolving around it. And that is this channel, Mermaid Lelie. I will start off with DIYs and makeup and I will see where this ends. I don't want to make too much of a plan, unless the plan is to have fun, to enjoy myself, to give back to you, the people who've been following me for a long time, sharing my knowledge, and we'll see where we end up. For the DIYs there will be two things. The first things will be actual tutorials. I want to make them very short but very in-depth so that you have small bits of information, and if you need to recap some of the information, that you don't have to scroll through the video, but you can just find that bit of information in a separate video. The second thing, which will be more like a vlog style, is making things together with me. I will introduce the project and then there will be several steps and several different videos which you then can follow along, follow my progress, see the end results. I really enjoy watching those types of things on others' channels, so I really hope you also enjoy those types of things. Then the makeup. I receive so many questions about my makeup. Mostly about the products I use, which products that I like, so I will start off by making very small, tiny videos about one product specifically. And then we'll see where it ends up. Something that I also really like to add, because for me, looking at YouTubers showing all of their fun trinkets, I really also want to own them. But I don't want to put that stress on you. I don't want that kind of stress here on this channel. So I decided to add a category which will be called Buy and Why, which I will be showing you stuff that I bought, only mermaid related, and then I will also tell why I bought it. So you don't feel obliged, but I also sometimes think it's very interesting to see why people buy certain things or feel the need that they need it. And then it's up to you if you like the products and want to buy the same or not. Just be informed and never feel like you have to buy stuff that I have. Because the truth of the matter is, you don't need half of the stuff that I bought. I tested so many things didn't work. So I really want to have this YouTube channel, which could also serve as a shortcut for you. So you don't have to try so many things to find out what will work for you. So I'm gonna stop here because it's already getting pretty long, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye! Ice with then the